Another recipe for your Corona diet, something that I'm sure a lot of people out there love, is the omelette, but an omelette that's done properly. And there are a few key elements to get it right. The first thing you need is beurre noisette. And beurre noisette is the French word for hazelnut butter, which means that you cook your butter until it starts to brown and it gives off a nice nutty flavour. So I have some salted butter here. Rub that around your pan. If you don't have one of these, get one. They're like an extension to your arm. I have 3 eggs. I like a 3-egg omelette. Just beat that with a fork. There's no seasoning at this point. Get that right together. That's done. As this starts to cook off, it starts to brown a little and the pan's getting smoky. I can smell it, it's nutty. And once it's nutty, that's ready to go. Good hot pan, brown your butter, wait for it to smell like hazelnut. In goes your eggs. I don't put any milk in the eggs either. Just egg. And at this point, you need to break it. Develop the curds. If you don't have curds in your omelette, you haven't done it right. So, that now is just going to stay on the heat. It's a decent high heat. My induction, I might wind it up to 8. Let's give it a little blast at 8. I tend to use 7 for pretty much everything. And it's going to take, you can see that's starting to cook out already. We're going to have a cheese omelette. I put the cheese in afterwards. I like to have a layer of melted cheese inside the omelette. So just a bit of Emmental, whatever you like, cheddar if you're at home. And a bit of seasoning at this point, so it's starting to cook out. Also, you'll notice that it's still a little bit gooey here, which is good. You want that. Free the edges. Free the edges, turn that down. Start rolling. Free the edges at the sides, roll it over. Roll it over. And there you go. See those curds, these swirls? Those are your curds. If you don't have curds, a lot of people would say that that's not a proper omelette. Split it down the middle. That can go off the heat. That's done. All that's going to need now is you're going to pick up your rolled omelette, put that onto your plate, and voila, that's an omelette.